Today I'm making peanut butter dip. First I'm going to make the whipped cream for the dip, so in a bowl I have 1 cup of heavy cream. Next I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sugar. Then I'm going to whip that up until stiff peaks form and then put this in the fridge for later. Next in a bowl I'm going to add 1 cup of peanut butter. Next I'm going to add 1/3 cup of whipped cream cheese. Next I'm going to add 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Then I'm going to mix that up until everything is combined. Next I'm going to add half of the whipped cream that I made earlier and mix that up until it's combined. Then I'm going to add the rest of the whipped cream and mix it up until it's smooth. Then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of mini peanut butter M&Ms and fold that in. Next I'm going to add the peanut butter dip into a bowl and then sprinkle more peanut butter M&Ms on top. Lastly, I'm going to add some dippers. I'm going to add some sliced strawberries, Oreos, some sliced green apples, and pretzel sticks. Here's an up close look at the peanut butter dip.